This hasn't been on for a very long time. Let's fix it. Well, this is one of those throwaway videos that, you know, may work, it may not, but look at the date. 17th of October. The Fall Creators Update, hate that name, has been released today. And I want to see if it's going to rescue this thing, because this is broke. Let's have a look. So, one white balance fix later, because of course my LED bulb popped again. And we're back. Let's have a look. This thing has problems. The last thing I did, which actually broke it, is I forced the Creators Update on it. Didn't work very well, hated it. Things don't work, as I will show you. Now it all looks fairly good, it looks like it works. Start menu sort of, well, there it is. But if I go to here, oh, what's that? It doesn't work. And if I try and launch something like settings, see? I get this. Class not registered. Okay, so what do we do about it? Well, I've got a plan. I'm going to install the Fall Creators Update right on top of it. This is probably going to end up very badly and break it further, but nah, I've got to have to fix this anyway. Okay, so that's all loaded up. Right, let's see if that loads up anyway, and I'll be back. Well, it didn't work like that. It told me to go into the operating system and do it this way. Alright then, okay. It's been through a few things. This could take a while. See, your PC will start in a few minutes. Let's hope so. I'm double banging it with the MacBook Air. Yeah, this thing's got a few problems. Might get onto them in another video, but yeah, it's going to get sold. Love it, but it's going to get replaced, so watch this space. It's restarted. It's a bit blue. I did white balance this thing. Oh, it's the Windows logo. Right, this is where it tries, fails, and then says, we cannot do this. No, we cannot do this. We cannot install Windows on your PC. I'm hungry. I think I want some crisps. I'll be right back. Well, shit, it actually completed successfully. And you can tell it's the Creators Update because the little people down the bottom. Does it work? No, it's still broken. We will have to revert this to factory settings, but it was worth a try.